Namaste students, myself JB and Dr. Arun Kumar Singh, Faculty of Education and Mythology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class BSc B.Ed ZVC 5th semester. We will discuss the topic pollution and its effects. Pollution, introduction. The term pollution means the introduction of abnormally high concentrations of harmful substance to the natural environments. It causes discomfort or harm to living organism and the ecosystem. It makes the environment unsafe, unhealthy, and it hazards to the welfare of the organisms living in the environment. Pollution is often as result of human activities, but it can occur naturally too. Pollutants, the substances or agents which contaminates the environment, is called pollutants. It can be a foreign substance or energy induced into the environmental by humans, or it can be a naturally occurring substance. When the presence of any natural substance exceed the normal levels, it is considered as a contaminant. Some common pollutants are automobile exhaust fumes and chlorofluorocarbons, etc. Types of pollutants. Types of pollutions. Firstly, air pollutions. The atmosphere is the mixture of various gases and acts as a protective blanket around the earth. It is the basic life support system of our planet. However, the air around us is getting polluted day by day, causing discomfort and harm to humans and other living organisms. The depletion of the ozone layer in the stratosphere has become the threats to human health and the earth ecosystem. Okay, effect of air pollution seen this plates. And next, water pollution. Water pollution is the contamination of water bodies. This form of environmental degradation occurs when pollutants are already or indirectly discharged into water bodies without adequate treatment of removal of harmful compounds. Water pollution affects the entire biosphere, plants and organisms living in these water bodies. Effects of the water pollutions seen this plates. Next, land pollution. Land pollution, the decomposition of solids or liquids waste materials on lands or underground in a manner that can contaminate the soil and groundwater. They threaten public health and causes unsightly conditions and nuisance. When mining sites are abandoned after excavations work is complete, keep scarce are left behind, causing severe land degradations. Effects of land pollution seen this plates. Next, noise pollution. Noise pollution or noise disturbance is the disturbing or excessive noise that may harm the activity or balance of human or animal life. The source of most outdoor noise worldwide is mainly caused by machines and transportation systems, motor vehicles, aircrafts, and trains. Poor urban plannings may give rise to noise pollution since west side industrial and residential buildings can result in noise pollutions. Effect of noise pollution seen these plates disturb the human all activities seen these plates. Radioactive pollutions, radioactive contaminations, also called radiological contaminations, is the deposition of or presence of radioactive substance on surface or within solids, liquids, or gases where their presence is unintended or undesirable. Thermal pollutions. Thermal pollution is the degradation of water quality by any process that changes ambient water temperatures. A common cause of thermal pollution is the use of water as a coolant by thermal power plants and industrial manufacturers. When water used as a coolant is returned to the natural environments at higher temperatures, the change in temperature decrease oxygen supply and affects ecosystem compositions. Okay. Next, light pollutions. Light pollutions, also called as photopollutions or luminous pollutions, is excessive, misdirected or misdirected artificial lights. Light pollution is the alternation of light levels in the outdoor environment due to man-made sources of light. Indoor light pollution is such alternations of light level in the indoor environment due to the sources of light which compromises human health. Effects of light pollution seen displayed. Okay. Next, visual pollutions. Visual pollution is the aesthetic issue and refers to the impact of pollution that impair one's ability to enjoy a vista or view. Visual pollution disrupts the visual area of people by creating negative changes in the natural environments. Billboards, open storage of trash, space debris, telephones, towers, etc. are the main sources of visual pollutions. Effects of visual pollution seen these plates. Effect of pollution on health. Different deformities create the pollutions. Okay, thank you students.